Welcome to Too Fast Garage, and in today's video we're going to show you how to fix a flooded four-wheeler. So I was riding my four-wheeler today down towards the river. I went in the river deep enough to where the water got into this intake and it flooded. So you need a snorkel, but I didn't have a snorkel, so it got all up in there. And there's two things you want to check before you let it sit after you get done riding. Don't just put it up. Check this first. First thing is under the seat. You want to check this filter right here. Should be under the seat right here in the middle. And it's supposed to not be completely wet, but it's supposed to be a bit oily, just a little damp. Still got a little bit of water under there, but that shouldn't hurt anything yet. That's the first thing. And the second thing is this spark plug under here. Should be on the side with the gas thing to turn it on and off. Spark plug's under there. I'm going to take the cover off. I can get this light to stay. Oh man. We went ahead and loosened it up from earlier. She's a bit wet. I don't know what to do with my fingers. Go and dry it off. Good as you can. Make sure this thing right here is also not touching that, because that's what gives you good spark.
All right, another tip we have for testing your spark plug down here. Before you put it in, after you've wiped it off and cleaned it, you're going to want to plug it in, then touch it to metal on the frame somewhere, and you're going to look for a spark right at the end. So I'm going to flip this on, and we're going to test see if it has a spark.
Yep. It's got a little bit of spark right at the end. That's how you know you're good. Got it started. Alrighty guys, that's going to be all for today's video. We got it running. We got all the water out and everything. So just don't let it sit, because if you let it sit for a long time, the harder it's going to get. So, and the tip we had to use was to put a little bit of starter fluid right down on the carburetor in this thing where the air filter goes. And she started up better and helped us got it running. So if you enjoyed this video, make sure to drop a fat thumbs up and like and subscribe. It makes sense. What do I need to say?
Just tell them that we got it running.
Well, time.